Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to Let's Make a Mod episode 18 in the series, and this time we're going to be focusing on updating our mods from Minecraft 1.3.2 into Minecraft 1.4.2. So yesterday I actually spent 16 minutes making this whole on tutorial, and turns out I did everything for nothing because mod loader right here had an issue with its add sound, so there was a bug. And today I looked back at Risugami's thread and he said sorry about the add sound error. Yeah, everything should be fixed. Yeah, well thanks, because I wasted oh my gosh. Anyways, I want to thank all of you guys for 10 million views in total. I really do appreciate it. I'm not sure if you guys are just, refreshing the page and just watching all my videos over and over and over. That doesn't count. No, but I want to say thank you guys for all watching it. I really do appreciate it. So anyways, let's go ahead and update our mods that are from Minecraft 1.3.2 into Minecraft 1.4. So here is my old moddings folder. Let me go ahead and change this. There's a little error. But here is my old moddings folder. It is called new_moddings. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it like this. But I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder for my moddings folder. So I'm going to right click new folder. I'm going to create a brand new moddings folder for my newest version of Minecraft. So I'm going to call it new_modding, and I'm going to put another underscore and call it 1.4.2 and press enter. There we go. Look at that. New_moddings 1.4.2. This is my old one, which is just called new moddings. It doesn't have 1.4.2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to download the latest MCP, which is Minecraft Coder Pack. You guys are going to get the latest mod loader and the latest MCP from my description. Go to my website. You're going to download these two things because these are like very, you have to get them. So go ahead and get these downloads and drag it here to the desktop in which you can see it better. And once you have made your new moddings folder, go ahead and open up the new MCP zip. Open that up and move it aside. You're going to see all of these files that should be all familiar to you guys. You guys should already understand every single one of these. But what you're going to do is highlight all of these files from runtime all the way down to changelog and drag it all into your new moddings folder. So here's my new moddings folder. So drag it all into your new moddings folder 1.4.2. And go ahead and exit that off once you're done. So now we don't need MCP because we already highlighted everything and drag it into our new folder. So like I was going to say, I am going to supply all of my source. So if you guys want all of my source, all of my pictures, everything, links in description. I am going to give you guys everything that I worked on throughout this whole entire series. So if you guys don't want to update your own mod, you could go ahead and feel free to update my mod. Well, I'm going to give you guys the actual official, let's say it's the official version. So you guys could, just mess around with that. It's already going to be updated once you download the source, so all you have to do is just mess around with my source codes if you guys really do want to. But here is our new moddings folder. Open that up, and you should see that there isn't that much folders. You're going to go here to jars, so go to your jars. What you're going to do is you're going to paste your bins and resources into your jars folder. In order to get your bins and resources, you have to go to your .minecraft folder, so go here to start. Search your program file, you're going to type in %appdata%. And for Windows XP users, you should see here run, and you run %, and it should take you up here to the roaming folder. Click on the roaming folder, and you should see .minecraft in the very top. Go into your .minecraft folder, right here, your bin and resources. Make sure you guys don't have any mods installed. So before I copy those over, I'm going to force update my game, alright? So I don't want any mods installed before I install anything. So I'm going to go here to options, force update, and log in. Because if you have a mod while you're decompiling, then you probably get yourself a ton of errors. So go ahead and update your Minecraft, remove all of your mods. It's totally necessary. So go ahead and do that. Options, force update, and log in. And once Minecraft has officially done and it's already running, go ahead and exit that off because you are done with that. So now, once you have force updated your game, you're going to copy over your bin and resources. So hold Control and click on bin and resources and right click and copy. So right click and copy bin and resources and paste it into your jars folder, into your new moddings folder. So right click and paste, and you should be able to copy over. It's about like 60 megabytes. No need to worry. So once that is, done copying over, that's all you really have to do. But go ahead and exit off your .minecraft because you are done with that. Now into your jars folder, in your new moddings folder, go into your bin. You should have your .minecraft right here, your minecraft.jar. What you're going to do is you're going to open that up with WinRAR because you have to install the newest mod loader. I mean, this is the newest one you could get. So right click, open with WinRAR. So open up your minecraft.jar that's located in your jars folder, in your new moddings folder. Open that up with WinRAR. The first thing you have to do, of course, before installing any mods is to delete MetaInf. You have to delete MetaInf. So right click MetaInf and delete files. Say yes and delete MetaInf. You have to delete MetaInf before installing a mod loader. Here's the new latest mod loader, links in description. So go ahead and download this and drag it here to the desktop. And once you have the newest mod loader, I am saying you could not use old mod loaders. So if you accidentally made a mistake, you guys have any errors, any of that stuff, be sure to get the newest mod loader. If you don't get the newest one that's in my description, well then you're going to screw everything up. But if you guys get any errors, like I said, go to my help forums. You guys can post as much help topics as you want, and I'll be sure to look at them and try to help you out my best. But big props and shoutouts to Mudbill. He is a server moderator and he's helped out so much in my help forum, so big props to Mudbill. Big props to him. Anyways, here's the newest mod loader. Go ahead and open that up and move it aside. So with the new mod loader, you're going to highlight all of these files and drag it all into your Minecraft.jar. So highlight and drag everything over to your Minecraft.jar and replace, press OK, and you are done. Once you have already installed the newest mod loader into your Minecraft.jar, go ahead and exit off everything because you are officially done. So I'm going to go ahead and exit off everything. And now what I'm going to do is go back into my new moddings. And once I've already dragged over, you know, the bins and resources into my jars, now it is the right time to decompile. Now you can decompile. So double click decompile and let this run. And if you guys got any error messages or any of that stuff, just be sure just to ignore it because, yeah, you could just ignore it. And it says right here, updates are available. You could run the update if you really do desire, if you guys really want to do that. But in this case, I'm not going to update it. There's no need to, actually. But like I was going to say, this is going to take a while. So just be sure to wait a while this decompiles because it'll take a while for decompiling. It applies a lot of stuff, so you guys are going to be here a while, and it took me a while, but I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. So I'm going to go here to Comtaisa, and here's the pause button. I'm going to pause this. Alright, so now it is done, and it did take a while. So while this was happening, I was just, you know, on YouTube and looking at my own videos. I like watching my videos over and over. Probably that's why I have 10 million views. I'm just joking. Anyways, right here it says press any key to continue, and I did get some errors. If you guys got any errors, this is right here, errors found. Don't need to stress out because that could actually take care of itself. So I'm gonna press any key, and now it's gone. I have decompiled, and now what I need to do is I need to apply my source into the new moddings folder. So how I'm gonna get my source is I'm gonna go back to my old moddings folder. So go back to your old moddings folder and open that up. And what you're going to do is you're going to locate one of these starters called, it's right up here, somewhere around here. Right here, I already clicked on it. How funny. Get changed source. So you're going to locate that. And for Mac users, you're going to click on this one right here, get changed source.sh, and ours is in a batch files right here, Windows batch file. So all you have to do is just double click this, get changed source to get your old source. So double click that and give it some time. So while it's getting your source, just make sure that you get your source and your pictures. So that's what we're going to be looking for. So here's all our sources, and you can see that it's right here, item, green gem, and mod_armor and all that stuff. So press any key to continue, and here is all your source into this folder called mod source. So go into there, and once you're in the mod source, you should see that there's a Minecraft. So go into Minecraft net Minecraft source, and here's all of your source codes. So now what you're going to do is go back to your new moddings folder. Here's my new one that I just decompiled, and go here to source. So you're going to go and apply your old source into your new source. So go here to source, Minecraft, net, Minecraft, source. So follow this path, source, Minecraft, net, Minecraft, source into your new moddings folder, and here's all these Java scripts. So what you're going to do is highlight these old source and simply drag all of these old source into your new source. There you go. Once you have done that, it should already arrange itself, you know, just add it all into your source, and once you have done that, you're good. So go ahead and exit off everything because you are done. Now go back to your new moddings folder. Once again, go into there, and now you have to run a recompile. So now you have to recompile everything. Since you did add in new things into your source, you have to recompile it so everything can fit together. So go to recompile and just allow this to recompile. And once it's recompiling, now we have to apply our pictures because we can't forget about our pictures. So just allow this to run, and you should get yourself a lot of errors, but we're going to fix these errors. These errors are right here to the set tab display on creative. We're going to have to change all this, so we're going to fix our own errors right now. So you're going to get a ton of errors, like I said. Press any key to continue, and now what we're going to do is let's just go ahead and open up Eclipse. So open up Eclipse, and you're going to run Eclipse to link the workshop into our new moddings folder, okay? The reason why we're going to do that is because this Eclipse folder has to at least open up some new folders for us to mess around with and apply our images. So open up Eclipse. I got a new Eclipse, a new download of Eclipse. Yours, if you have the old version of Eclipse, it's totally okay. It doesn't really make a difference, but everything should be the same. It's just this Eclipse is called Eclipse Juno. Oh my gosh, awesome. So here is the Eclipse. Now I'm going to go here to File, and I'm going to go here to Switch Workshop right here. So go to File up in Eclipse. You have to go here to Switch Workshop and go here to Other on Switch Workshop. So open that up. This should open up, and you guys should already know what to do here. Go here to Browser, And now you have to link your new moddings folder. So here is my new underscore moddings folder 1.4.2. Open that up. And once you have open that up, you have to set the workspace onto your Eclipse folder. So click on Eclipse and that's it. So in your new moddings, select Eclipse and press OK. Now press OK once again, and now it should be able to, you know, set up the workspace in your newest Minecraft and all that good stuff, and you should be able to mess around with your source. So once that has happened, you should see right here, client, it should show an X because there should be some errors. It says right here, errors. There are 9 errors found, which we're going to fix. We're going to fix all these. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit off Eclipse because now I'm done with that, because now I have to set our images. So what I'm going to do is in our old moddings folder, go back to your old moddings folder right here. So go into your old moddings folder. Now go here to bin. So go here to bin Minecraft, and you have to copy your armor and items. So press Control and copy over your armor and your items folder. So right click and copy. You're going to copy these because these are where your images are located at. So copy your armor and images. Now go to your new moddings folder. Now go here to bin Minecraft and paste. Paste your images into your new moddings folder. There you go. So you should have armor and items. Now you're going to go back one again, back to your main directory of your new moddings folder and go here to Eclipse. You have to do this again. So you're going to paste your pictures once again into your Eclipse folder. So go here to Eclipse, client, bin. And once you have entered that, new moddings folder, Eclipse, client, bin. Now paste it one more time. There you go. So your armor and items are now into your Eclipse folder. And once we have done that, go ahead and run Eclipse. We are officially done. We have updated our mod. And that is basically how to update our mod. We just made a new MCP folder. We applied the new MCP. Now we have to fix our errors. And our errors are actually from our creative tab inventory, which I'm going to go over. So go here to client, source, and net Minecraft source. So you just click on these little arrows right here. So click on the arrow, client, source, and net Minecraft source. Scroll all the way down, and you should see right here next to these little scripts, you should see a big circle and an X. And just scroll down to the M's because you'll see that it's right here in your mod underscore Minecraft. So here's the X. Open that up, and you guys shouldn't be getting this error. I'm sorry if you guys hear background noises, but you guys shouldn't be getting this error because I'm going to be giving you guys my source. I'm going to be giving you guys my new updated source that is fixed. So the errors are right here. They have red underlines. So what we're going to do, the best way to prevent errors is to get rid of it. So highlight this dot set tab display, all that stuff, and don't highlight this semicolon. So you're just going to remove it all. So just remove all of this and backspace. There you go. Now the error is fixed. Now do it to every single one that has that creative tab tutorial that I went over. I think it was episode 17. Go ahead and remove all that. I'm going to figure out a way to fix all this in, you know, next episodes and stuff like that. And you should have an error right here also in the food underscore Minecraft. So highlight that and just get rid of it. Even the little semicolon, because you don't need this in your public void. So like I said, I'm going to be supplying you guys with my source. So this should all be fixed. So all you have to do is just look where the errors are located at and just highlight and just get rid of them. That's it. But if you guys are getting rid of all this stuff and you guys got yourself a red underline right here next to your parentheses, hover over the X right over here to the side, and it should say right there, insert a semicolon. Go to the end of that error and press a semicolon. There you go. You just add in a semicolon because you accidentally erased your semicolon while removing the code. So just remove the old code. And this is the last code that I'm going to remove, and it should be able to work. And we should be able to play Minecraft 1.4 with our mod. And hopefully this is it. I think that is all the errors. Let's just look around for a little bit. There seems to be no errors. Now I am going to get very mad. I'm going to get very mad if ModLoader still has that issue, I swear. ModLoader said that they have fixed the issue, so I'm hoping they fixed the issue because I'm not going to be playing and doing this tutorial again because I already wasted my time. This is where I was when I left off doing my tutorial. I pressed played and ModLoader gave me an issue. So let's press play, and there we go. Yes, we have updated our Minecraft games. Now go to single player, go to create a new game, go to creative mode, and your items shouldn't be able to show up in your creative inventory because we did remove that code. I'm sure there's an updated code, so go here to search items, scroll down. It shouldn't show up, but for some reason they do show up. That's awesome, right? Here's my donut. I had this in SpookyCraft, but I removed it because we recently updated SpookyCraft, and I'm working on several other things for SpookyCraft. But anyways, look at this. We got our items. Here's our items and our armor too. Let's wear our armor and see if we got any errors. So I'm gonna wear this just in case there's an error. I'm gonna go over a new tutorial. Hey, no, I didn't. So there we go. So my old armor tutorial does still work. If you guys are still interested in making more armor, well, then you could go ahead and do that. It's actually very simple. I went over it very briefly. Actually, I went over all of it, so you guys could go check that out. Anyways, I am playing Minecraft 1.4 with a new update. Woohoo! So, anyways, thank you guys so much for rating this video. I really do appreciate it. If it did work for you guys, I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that like button. I'd be really happy. I'll be sure to make more episodes. Guess what? Episode 19. We're gonna be focusing on making mobs. We're gonna make pigs. No, just kidding. We're gonna make other things. We're gonna make mobs. Can you believe that? We're gonna be working on it now. We're eventually gonna do it, and it's gonna be episode 19 because now I have updated my mod and everything else. Oh, look at this. Our green gem. Woohoo! See, it still works, guys. Still works. Look at that. I was just running around, and here's my green gem. It looks beautiful too. So, yeah, guys, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys later. Thank you guys for all of your support. See you guys later.